Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Do you want to know what prepositions are? We will discuss that in this video. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Prepositions are words that express a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. They express a number of different kinds of relationships, such as time, space, direction, possession, and cause. Example: we are not allowed to use our phones during class hours. The italicized word here is a preposition that expresses time because it indicates whether something occurs at one point in time or over an extended period of time. Example: I always put my phone beside me every night. The italicized word here is a preposition of place because this preposition identifies the location of the object in the sentence. To test whether you understood the topic, let us answer the following exercise. Identify whether the preposition used indicates time, space, direction, possession, or cause. Number 1. At dinner, he only eats a small amount of food to avoid constipation. Time is up. The answer for number 1 is preposition of time since the word at indicates time. Number 2. This private school is owned by my friend's parents. Time is up. The answer is preposition of possession since the word this indicates possession of the said private school. Number 3. The car of our neighbor is parked beside the post office. Time is up. The answer is preposition of place since the word beside indicates the location of the car. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.